Beginning treble cluster. Two chains between clusters. Now working in the next loop, I'm working 2 trebles cluster. Again 2 chains between clusters, and starting from this point I will work 3 trebles cluster, and then 2 trebles cluster here, 3 trebles cluster, 2 trebles cluster. So 3 trebles cluster. I have 3 trebles and completed on my hook and finalizing it. 2 chains between clusters. Now if I've made 3, in the next stitch I will make 2 trebles cluster. Two chains between clusters, and repeat again 3 2 3 2. To complete round 4 I'm changing the yarn and making slip stitch. So ready to start round 5. Round 5. Before start to make round 5, you place the sun color yarn above the work along the stitches we have. Grab the background color yarn and work the slip stitch under the chain with the yarn here. Now starting the 3 chains and work double crochet under the same chain. Now we need to change the yarn to yellow. Every single time when we will change yarn, we will rip back the last stitch made and work the stitch with a new yarn. Now starting the front post treble, making 2 yarn overs, enter hook this way, grab yarn and continue to work treble. We need to continue by background for color yarn, so we rip back this last step and change yarn. Now we need to work 2 double crochets under the next chain. I'm still placing the unwanted sun color yarn a little bit behind the work. So we got the first group. Actually, the next group will be looks like 2 double crochets here, front post worked here, and 2 double crochets here. So because we start with the 2 double crochets with the same color yarn, we don't change the color now, and working 2 double crochets. Now we need to work change color and work front post. So for this reason I'm ripping back, changing the yarn and finalizing my second double crochet. Now working front post, treble. Again, before changing yarn, I'm making the last movement with a new color yarn. Again, to finalize my group, I have here 2 double crochets, front post, and to finalize my group I need 2 more double crochets. Again, I'm working 2 double crochets, and my unwanted yarn is still a little bit behind the work. The second group is finished. The same way I will work the next group, starting it with 2 double crochets. Continue by yellow yarn, changing color, changing color, okay, one more group is finished up. This group of the stitches should be repeated all the way around the work. Finish round 5 in the third chain with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Cut yellow yarn and continue to work round 6.